Hi students, today we will go through Junior 2 Chapter 12, Exercise 12.5. I will explain in Chinese first, and you may fast forward the video towards mid of this video for English explanation.
好，同学们，我们会先用华语来解释这个12.5的练习。好，先从这个 Question Exercise 8看。A and B take 6 days to complete a project. A 跟 B 需要用6天来完成这一项 project. If A alone take twice the numbers of days as B take to do the same project.A 呢，如果一个人完成这个 project 的话，需要用 B 的2倍时间。如果假设 B 是用10天 ，A 就要用20天。OK， 这是它的概念。So how many days does A take to do the same project alone？ 那么请问 A 需要用多少天来完成这个 project？ 好，首先我们不知道它的天数是多少，对吗？它需要用多长的时间来完成这一项，所以呢，我们会 assume。Let the days taken by B to complete the project be X days， 代表着 B 呢用的天数来完成这个 project 是 X day， 那么 A 呢是2倍，对不对？ B 的2倍，所以是 2X days。然后 work done together by A and B in 6 days， 也就是说呢，这个工作 A 跟 B 在6天内的工作呢，他们会完成6/6，就是一项完整的 project。你看，你越简的话，你会拿到1代表着他完成这个 project。那么 work done together by A and B in 1 day 呢？一天呢？一天他们完成多少？1/6，因为6天他们完成6/6嘛，这样一天就1/6。那么我们现在是不是可以找这个 A 跟 B 一天的工作？等于1/6，所以 A 呢，它一天的工作是 1/2x， 1/2x 就是代表它一天完成的工作。那么我们要算 B 一天完成的工作呢，是 1/x， 1除以 x， 这些 x 跟 2x 都是 days 来的，就是他们所完成的工作量。OK， 我们1除 x， 我们可以拿到它完成的工作量，所以 A一天的工作量跟 B 一天的工作量加起来会是1/6，然后我们就用我们知道的 LCM， 用 LCM 的方法把它全部分子都是乘 LCM， 然后做约减，所以你会拿到3加6等于 x， 所以 x 等于9，也代表着呢，这边是9嘛。B 呢，他是用9天来完成这个 project， 那么 A 一个人呢，他就用2x 天，也就是2乘9，总共是18天来完成这个 project。所以逻辑吗？逻辑，因为 A 会用 B 的2倍的天数 ，B 用9天嘛，所以 A 用18天。再来我们看在 exercise 12.5 的第4题。A takes 4 days less than B to complete a project. A 比 B 少4天来完成这一项 project. After A and B are working together for 3 days, A 跟 B 呢，他们2个一起做这个 project 3天，然后 A alone take 3 days to complete the remaining project. A 又一个人花了3天的时间来完成这个 project. 所以他问你 How long would each take to work on the same project alone?他们 A 跟 B 一个人做这个 project 的话，需要用多久的时间？首先，我们先把 Let the days taken by B to complete the project be X。B 要用的天数呢，我们写一个 X。那么 A 要用的天数是多少天？它会比 B 少4天嘛 ？B 是 X， 所以 A 是 X 减4天。我们现在又再往一天来看 ，A 呢？一天的工作会完成的是1除它的时间 x 减4。B 呢，它一天会完成的工作量是1除以 x。OK， 所以这边有告诉你嘛，他们 A 跟 B 一起做工3天，然后 A 又一个人做工3天，他们才完成这个工作，对吗？所以完成这个工作的话是1的意思 ，completion of project， 因为它已经完成了嘛，所以就是1。所以我们要知道 A 加 B 做工3天，然后 A 一个人做工3天会等于1，这些都是工作量。 所以3呢是3天，3天乘以 A 加 B 一天的工作量，也就是这两个，他们一天完成的工作，然后再加 A 呢3天一个人的工作量，也就是3天乘以他一天的工作量，也就是1/x 减4，然后把它乘起来，你会拿到这个 equation， 解掉分母乘全部的 LCM， 约掉，你会得到 3x 加 3x 减12加 3x 等于 x² 减 4x， 然后你会拿到这个 quadratic equation，factorize 它会得到 x 等于减1或者12。在这边呢，减1会是 invalid 不符合的，因为没有减一天的天数来完成这个工作，它的工作完成不可能在 negative 1 day， 所以答案是12。然后不要忘记要回答 A 也要用多少天，12减4也就是8天，所以一位是用12天，一位是用8天。我们再来看一下第6题哦，在 exercise 12.5的第6题。A and B working together can complete a project in 20 hours. A 跟 B 一起做工呢，会完成这一项 project 在20小时内。If each work on the project alone， 如果他们一个人做这个 project 呢 ，B takes 9 hours longer than A。B 需要比 A 多9个小时。How long would each take to work on the project alone？ 请问他们一个人需要用多久的时间来完成这一项项目 ？OK， 再来，我们再放这个天数，所以这个是 hour 小时。So let the hour taken by A to complete the project be x。A 呢需要用的时间小时来完成这个 project 是 x hours。我们不懂多少个小时，我们就放 x。然后 B 呢，刚才有讲到嘛，它比 A 多9个小时，所以 B 呢是 x 加9。接下来呢，我们来看这个 work done by A plus B in 20 hours。A 跟 B 呢的工作量会完成在20小时的时候是20/20，对吗？也代表着他们完成一个 project 20除20。那么1个小时嘞，他们会完成多少？他们会完成1/20的工作。20个小时他们就做完20/20嘛。那么1个小时他们就完成1/20的工作。接下来我们来找一找 A 呢，自己一个人做的话，1个小时内会完成多少？1 to x。B 呢？1 to x 加9。OK， 这是他们的1个小时一个人的工作量，所以 A 加 B 在1个小时内会完成1/20。那么我们就找出 A， 单 A 的话，一个人完成的工作量加 B 一个人的工作量加起来就会是1/20，因为他们2个人一起做的话，1个小时会完成1/20的工作。然后解一解，拿去乘你的 LCM， 约减，你会拿到 x² 减31等于180。这一题呢，我们会用 completing the square 的 method 来解 x value。你会算到有2个答案，36或者减5。在这里呢，减5会是 invalid， 不符合这个题目，因为 x 的答案会是小时，我们没有减5个小时，所以减5我们不拿，我们拿36。所以答案 for A 呢，他一个人做这个 project 的话，需要36个小时。那么 B 呢，需要36加9个小时，答案是45个小时。好，我们再看多一题，第一题。第一题 exercise 12.5的第一题。Okay, a pool can be filled with water by 2 pipes in 6 hours。有一个池呢，它可以在6个小时内装满，当2个水龙头一起开。When operating independently， 当水龙头自己一个开的时候呢，比较小的水龙头需要用比大的水龙头多5个小时来装满这个池。How long will it take for the pipes to fill up the pool if operating independently？ Operating independently 也代表着就是只开一个水龙头的话， 那么需要用多长的时间将这一个池装满水？好，首先我们先来看 Let the time taken by larger pipe。比较大的水龙头呢，它要用 x 个小时来装满水。那么小的呢，刚刚我们有说到嘛，小的需要比大的水龙头多一个5个小时，所以它要用的时间是 x 个小时再加5，x 加5 hours。在1个小时内呢，比较大的 pipe 呢，它会装1/x 的水。小的 pipe 呢，1个小时内会装1/x 加5的水。那么2个水龙头开的话，1个小时会装满多少？1/6。为什么呢？因为它们2个一起开的话，6个小时内会装满，对不对？会装6/6。那么1个小时就是1/6。OK， 所以1个小时内2个水龙头一起开的话，会装1/6的水。所以呢，你将大的 pipe 1个小时内会装的水加小的 pipe 1个小时内会装的水，会是等于1/6。这样子你就可以解这一题了。你会拿到 x 有2个答案，10或者减3。Again， 减3我们这边是 invalid 不合格，为什么呢？我们不会有减3个小时的，所以我们答案我们会拿10。所以 x 等于10。大的 pipe 呢需要用10个小时装满这个池，小的 pipe 就要用10加5，也就是15个小时来装满这个池。Let's now look at classroom exercise 8. Classroom exercise 8. A and B take 6 days to complete a project. If A alone take twice the number of days as B take to do the same project, how many days does A take to do the same project alone? Okay, first of all, we have to let the day taken by B to complete the project be x days. Okay, we do not know how many days, so we put a variable x. And as for A, the days taken by A to complete the project will be 2x because A takes twice the day as B takes. Okay, so twice means double lah, so 2x day. And then we know that the work done together by A plus B will be equal to 6/6 in 6 days. Can you guys see? The work done together by A plus B, A and B work together 6 days and they will complete the project, right? So this is the completion of project, 6/6. How about in 1 day? How about the work done by A plus B in 1 day? It will be 1/6 of the project completion. Okay, 6 days they will complete 6/6 and 1 day they will complete 1/6 of the work. And right now we know that A plus B equal to 1/6, right, for 1 day of work done. So you have to identify this is the work done by A and B in 1 day. You're going to use 1 divided by the numbers of day. Okay, so we will have 1/2x plus 1/x equal to 1/6. This is the work done by A alone in a day, and this is the work done by B alone in a day. So A plus B, their 1 day work done equal to 1/6. And multiply by LCM, you will get 3 plus 6 equal to x, so x equal to 9. And don't forget the question asked about A, so which means 2x, right? So your answer will be 2 multiplied by 9, which is 18 days. A takes 18 days to complete the project alone. Okay, let's go to question 4. Exercise 12.5. Question 4. A takes 4 days less than B to complete a project. After A and B are working together for 3 days, A alone takes 3 days to complete the remaining project. How long would each take to work on the same project alone? Okay, first of all, let the day taken by B to complete the project be x days. And then the day taken by A to complete the project will be 4 days less than B, which means B is x day, right? So A will be x minus 4 days. And we can identify the A's work done in a day. We use 1 divided by the numbers of days to complete the project, which is 1/x minus 4. and B, works done in a day, will be 1 over X. Okay, and we know that based on the question, A and B, they work together for 3 days, right? And A worked for another 3 days alone, and they complete the project. So 1 here means completion of project. Okay, so we have 3 multiplied by, this one is the A plus B, their work done per day. Okay, 3 days multiply both of their work done in a day, and plus 3 days of A work done in a day. This is per day, so we have to multiply 3 days, right? So equal to 1 means after 3 plus 3 days, they complete the project, equal to 1. So you multiply these 3, the coefficient in front, you get the equation here, quadratic equation, you get x squared minus 13x plus 12 equal to 0, and you identify your x value. There are 2 possible values, which is -1 or 12. So from here, x equal to -1 going to be invalid because our numbers of day won't be -1 days, right? It can't be -1 day, so this one is invalid, and we will take x equal to 12. And based on here, B going to take 12 days to complete the project, while A take 12 minus 4 days, which is 8 days to complete the project. Okay, let's look at exercise 12.5, question 6. A and B working together can complete a project in 20 hours. If each work on the project alone, B takes 9 hours longer than A. How long would each of them take to work on the project alone? First of all, let the hours taken by A to complete the project be X. A going to take X hours of time to complete this project. How about B? B going to take 9 hours longer than A, right? So the time taken by B will be X plus 9 hours. And then the work done by A and B in 20 hours is 20 over 20, right? In 20 hours, both of them going to complete the project. How about if A and B work in 1 hour? They're going to complete 1 over 20 of the work, right? Because 20 hours, they're going to complete 20 over 20 of the work, right? Which is 1. But in 1 hour, the work done will be 1 over 20 only. Okay? And then the work done by A alone in 1 hour will be 1 divided by X in 1 hour. And for B, in 1 hour will be 1 over X plus 9. And we know that A plus B, they work for 1 hour, they will complete 1 over 20, right? A plus B, they work together for 1 hour, they can complete 1 over 20 of the project. So we take their per hour work done, A per hour work done plus B per hour work done equal to 1 over 20. They work together and complete 1 over 20 of the work. And multiply LCM, you will get your equation as x squared minus 31 equal to 180. And I will use completing the square method to get my x value. I will have both 2 possible answer, which is 36 or -5. And from here, -5 going to be invalid value because our x cannot be -5 hours. It is invalid, not logic. So we will take x equal to 36 for this question. So A going to take 36 hours and B going to take 36 plus 9, which is 45 hours to complete this project alone. And now let's look at question 1. Exercise 12.5, question 1. A pool can be filled with water by 2 pipes in 6 hours. When operating independently, the smaller pipe takes 5 hours longer than the larger pipe to fill the pool. How long will it take for the pipes to fill up the pool if operating independently? Alright, again, let the time taken by the larger pipe be X hours. How about the smaller pipe? It takes 5 hours longer than the larger pipe, right? So it will be X plus 5 hours for smaller pipe to fill up the pool. And then we identified the larger pipe. It is going to fill up the pool in 1 hour, which is 1 over X. Okay? And for the smaller pipe in 1 hour, going to fill up 1 over X plus 5. And these 2 pipes, when they operate together, in 1 hour, it's going to fill how many portion of the pool? 1 over 6, right? Okay, because 6 hours, going to fill up 6/6 ma, but in 1 hour, going to fill up 1/6 of the pool. Okay. And now we know that per hour for larger pipe and smaller pipe will be able to fill up 1/6 of the pool. Per hour of the water pipe for per hour of the larger pipe plus per hour of the smaller pipe, when they're operating together, they will be able to fill up 1/6 of the pool. So you multiply LCM, get rid of the denominator to become 1. Your answer will be x equal to 10 or -3. Over here, -3 will be invalid because the hours cannot be -3 hours, right? So we will take x equal to 10. So the time taken by a larger pipe to fill up the pool will be 10 hours. And for smaller pipe will be 10 plus 5, which is 15 hours. This will be your answer.